Hello friends, welcome back. In today's video we are going to see how install ESP IDF extension in VS Code. Click on Extensions. Select ESP IDF. Click on Install. Click on this symbol of ESP IDF. Then click on Advance. And on Configure ESP IDF. Extension. Click on Express. You can set server as China. Then choose the ESP IDF version. I am choosing latest. Set directory for IDF path. Click on Install. Installation has started. It will take a while. We will fast forward it. Now the installation is complete. Now we will try create new project. Click on New Project to set new project. Select ESP IDF to use. Set project name and project directory. Then choose Target and Target Board. I have not connected the target board to the machine, so no COM port detected. Click Choose Template. Set ESP IDF here. In Getting Started Examples, select Blink Template. Click on Create Project using Template. Project is created. Open it in a new window. So the project files are visible. Now open main.c file. Click on ESP IDF extension. Check the boxes as shown. Set flash method as UART. Also set the COM port to which your board is connected. Check build flash, etc. See the icons getting added down. Now let us build the project. Project is getting built, so wait for a while. So project is built. I want to set blink LED as GPIO2.SO. Let's see how to set it. SDK config H shows blink pin as GPIO5. Let us open SDK config file as shown and do the setting. Let us build and flash the code and monitor. Hit the icon as pointed by arrow as shown. Now the build is done. Now flash the code. Before this, press boot key on ESP32 board. Flashing is done and monitoring started. Now see the LED flashing on the board. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe and comment. Thanks.